Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are all fine at your home places. I am your computer teacher in Elite School Abdulaziz campus. In today's lecture I am going to discuss with you the summer vacation task of worksheet. Now starting with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This worksheet consists of three major portions. Number 1 is multiple choice questions. Number 2 short question answers. Number 3 long question answers. Students solve MCQs on the provided worksheets. Attempt short question answers on loose sheets. Write short question answers precisely. Now move to question number 1. You should mark the correct answers given on sheets. First question, encircle the correct options. Which symbol is used for processing in a flowchart? Rectangle. Which of the following is a sequence of instructions written in a program language? Solve a problem. Algorithm, program, flowchart, program analysis. Dash means method, process, techniques or plan. Defining the problem. Which symbol is used decision in flowchart? Rectangle, diamond, oval. Diamond is used for decision making. What is represents by a parallelogram in a flowchart? Input or output. Students, all these MCQs of this worksheet number 1 comes from chapter number 1. Now move to section B. But before starting section B, we will discuss the chapter number 1, and chapter number 1 is problem solving. In this chapter we will discuss the problem solving method. What are problem solving method? Program identification, specify requirements, analyzing the program, algorithm and flowcharts. First of all, discuss the what is problem solving. So what is problem solving? Problem solving is the act of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, identifying and selecting alternatives for a problem. Okay, its needs are alternatives. Okay, identifying the issues, list the possible solutions, evaluate the options, select one and more options that are related to problem solving. Let's start problem solving method. Number 1 is program identification. What is the meaning of this? What is a problem, or how can we solve this problem? B, specify requirements. Means that observe carefully the problem, observe carefully issue. Let's separate the relevant or irrelevant data of this problem. Third, analyze the problem. Let's have an example. For example, if we want a calculator, if we want make a calculator by the user demand. Okay, so our problem is what is the type of calculator, कि calculator किस type का होना चाहिए. So our calculator by the user demand is simple calculators. So two options are here, relevant or irrelevant. Subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. It's a relevant options. Or sin theta, tan, under root, square. All are irrelevant options. Okay, so you have to choose the relevant option. Now analyze the problem. What is the meaning of analyze? Analyze means analyzed, identifying or solving the problem or list the possible solution. So it tells us we can divide major parts of our requirements in subgroup or sub parts. Analyzing the problem is also called conquer rule. Okay, or conquer rule is a very important questions according to board pattern or board questions. Now move to algorithm. What is the algorithm? Is a finite set of steps to solve a problem, or is a step-by-step sequence to solve a problem. What is the meaning of finite? Finite means is the limitations or limited informations of your data. So after algorithm, one thing comes, what is this checking. When you make algorithm, so what is the disk checking? Carefully check the वर्किंग ऑफ एन एल्गोरिथम. मीन्स आपने जो एल्गोरिथम बनाया है उसमें कोई एरर तो नहीं है, देयर इज एन एरर और नॉट. नाउ मूव टू फ्लो चार्ट. फ्लो चार्ट explain the steps of a program in a graphical way with the help of different samples. It is easy to identify the problem. There are many samples of flowchart. Number 1 is oval. It's used for start and stop program. Number 2, parallelogram is used for input and output processing. Number 3 is rectangle. It's used for processing. Number 4, diamond. It is used for decision making. Flow lines that are connected with the all parts of your flow charts. Terminal, it's used for starting. Page and page in is used for flow chart on the next page. Okay, that all are related to flow chart. Now move to section B. Before discussing this, one thing is left. In algorithm, there are 3 major parts. Number 1 is input, number 2 is processing, number 3 is output. For example, add 2 numbers. So A, B, input, A plus B, processing means calculation, और C is equal to A plus B. So C is a output. C के अंदर तमाम डाटा स्टोर हो गया. C is a variable. C is equal to A plus B. A is equal to supposing value 2, B 2. So 2 plus 2 4. So C is equal to 4. This is related to algorithm. Now move to section B. Short questions. Define computer. What is a flow chart? Draw any 4 graphical samples of use flowchart. Write an algorithm to find the sum, product and average. Draw a flowchart to find the largest of 3 unequal number. Let's start. Define computer. Computer is an electronic machine which process data and manipulates its information. Okay. Define flowchart. We will discuss before this. Flowchart is a diagrammatic picture of an algorithm. It makes your program more logically. 4 types of flowchart. Number 1 is oval. Is used for start and stop programming. Input and output. It is used for write the program input and output. It is called parallelogram. Number 3 is a rectangle. It is used for processing. Number 4 is decision making. It's called diamond shape. Now move to next. Write an algorithm to find the sum, product and average. First of all, step 1, start. Let's find numbers like A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 8, D is equal to 4. There are supposing values. Okay, step 2, find the sum. Sum is a predefined formula. ठीक है, SUM. Step 3, find product in brackets PROD are predefined. Step 4, find average. Step 4, formula of average, sum divided by 5. Okay, first of all sum these values, then find the answer and write here. Step 5, output sum, product, average. Step 6, stop. Draw a flowchart to find the largest of three unequal number. Start, input ABC, A greater than B and A greater than C. In this flowchart we will discuss the what is the greatest number. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमने 3 नंबर लिए, उसमें से हमने बताना है कि कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है सबसे. ठीक है, greatest number. If A greater than B and A greater than C, A greater than B, so yes, if no. Okay. Section C, long questions. Describe the step involved in problem solving. This question comes from chapter number 1. You have to thoroughly reading this chapter and find the answer. Number 2, write an algorithm to calculate the area. So follow the given step. Take the variable HB. Step 2, calculate the area. What is the formula of area? B multiply by H divided by 2. Step 3, output A. Step 4, stop. Again, flowchart, oval, parallelogram, rectangle and stop. This is a flowchart of find the area of the number. ठीक है, this is a pictorial way of your algorithm. सही है. Thanks. In last, remember one thing, you have to must learn these worksheets and work properly and honestly. Hope this lecture help you for solving your summer task. If you have any query, you can contact with me. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.